Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. Polokwane City nil, Kaizer Chiefs nil. It's a point apiece. I think this is a fair result. I think this was a game of two halves. First half, I think we dominated the game. We didn't create enough chances, but we had all the ball position. We were trying. Second half, it was the same with them. They dominated the ball. They also didn't create enough chances. They probably should have scored in the 80 something around the 80th minute when they caught us in behind. They played a really really good ball and the guy couldn't make contact with the ball. I think that was the biggest chance of the game. As for us, we had some half chances. I won't count the Lilepo free kick in the second half, which hits the crossbar. Also had a free kick on target in the first half. We didn't create enough chances. But I think we take the point. I think we take the point. Maybe if you had asked me before the game if I would take the point, I'd also probably say yes. I'd probably say yes, considering that Amazulu and Skukune drop points, and those are the teams we are competing against for the top three. So we are still sitting comfortable. They're 7 point lead with 2 games in hand. So I don't think we should make it, a fuss over this draw. I think Polokwane City are a very, very difficult team to play against, more especially when they are home. We couldn't beat them last season. We beat them 1-0 with a late goal in the first leg this season. So I think we take the point. The performance, I think we can do better. There have been some better performances, there have been some worse performances. It was an average performance. Defensively, it's yet another clean sheet. Some positives to take from this game. In the midfield, I think we were brilliant with Thabo Cele and Lebohang Mabu. I think the two were absolutely amazing. Up front, Duba had an incredible game. I don't know why he got hooked for Luke Bartman. As for Luke Bartman, I think he needs to do a lot better. I am not going to put pressure on him. He's still a youngster, only 19 years of age, if I'm not mistaken. But he should be making use of the chances he's been getting, because this is Kaizer Chiefs. You have to make use of even if it's that 5 minutes. Today he got like 15 minutes, zero impact. So I think he should step up before he finds himself in the TDC. Gaston Sereno also didn't do enough. All our subs didn't do enough. Eden McCarthy out with an injury. I don't know what's going on. The medical team, they are failing. They are failing at their job. The amount of injuries we've had this season, it's outrageous. Something has to be done there. But yeah, we take the point and we move. I still think we're going to finish comfortable in the third position, which for me is something I take all day. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Smash a like. I'm out.